Hi everyone, I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake. Today, you'll learn simple English so you can talk about work and jobs.
And why Jake should never be allowed to schedule a meeting. Ever.
Hey, that was one time, and the calendar app tricked me.
You sent a meeting invitation to everyone in your office to come to your grandma's 87th birthday party.
In my defense, the mailing lists accidentally got mixed together.
Really?
Yes, that's a known mailing list bug, you know.
Oh boy.
But a few of them even showed up to Grammy's party. We ran out of cake.
Anyway, ready or not, this is Learn English with Jake and Emma. Work is what you do for your job, like teaching, cooking, designing, or helping customers.
And jobs are the roles we have, like manager, engineer, dog walker, cashier, or professional nap-taking person.
Professional nap-taking person?
I'm still waiting for someone to hire me.
Anyway, let's get back on track. Today, we'll talk about coworkers, schedules, meetings, and responsibilities.
And hopefully, how to survive all of those challenges.
Jake, you can barely survive a simple to-do list.
Which is exactly why I've never even used a to-do list.
To talk about your job, you can say, I work as a, or I'm a. For example, I work as a designer, or I'm a teacher.
I'm a level 5 multitasking specialist.
Jake, eating a sandwich while checking your email doesn't make you a specialist. Not even a little.
But it does if the sandwich is messy, which mine usually are.
Coworkers are the people you work with. You can say, my coworkers are friendly, or I work with a great team.
My coworkers are interesting.
Interesting? How's that?
One of them microwaves leftover fish, like every single day. It makes the whole place smell like a seafood disaster.
Oh, no.
The office will never recover.
Wait a second. You work from home.
Well, one of my other coworkers told me about it, and I can relate to the office people because I'm a team player.
Oh, brother. A schedule is the plan for your day, like when you start work, take breaks, or finish.
My schedule is simple. Wake up, eventually. Work, hopefully. Break, definitely.
That explains so much.
What can I say? I'm flexible.
You can say things like, I start work at 9, or I have a busy schedule today.
You can say those things if you want, but I'm not going there.
A meeting is when people talk about work together. You can say, I have a meeting at 2, or we're discussing a project.
Meetings are dangerous.
Here you go with the everything's dangerous again.
Last week, I signed on to the wrong virtual meeting, and I ended up hanging around for 20 minutes because I didn't know how to politely get out of it.
Jake, for real?
They were talking about spreadsheets. I panicked.
Responsibilities are the tasks that you're required to do at work. Things like answering emails, helping customers, or finishing reports.
Or simply staying alive and not breaking anything.
And how's that going?
Mixed results.
You can say, my responsibilities include, or I'm responsible for.
My responsibilities include managing my snack inventory, and I'm responsible for cleaning my keyboard at least 3 times a day.
Sounds like serious business.
Snack crumbs are a major workplace hazard.
Let's review some useful English words from today.
First, job, the work you do.
Second, coworkers, the people you work with.
Third, schedule, your plan for the day.
Fourth, meeting, a time when people talk about work.
And fifth, responsibility, something you're required to do.
Repeat after me. I start work at 9.
I start work at 9.
Now try, I have a meeting today.
I have a meeting today.
And finally, I'm responsible for this project.
I'm responsible for this project.
Wow, that sounded almost believable.
You're such a comedian.
Today we talked about work.
And we learned useful words like job, coworker, schedule, meeting, and responsibility.
Nice job following along. Now you can talk about your work in clear, natural English.
And remember, if something sounds difficult, step away and never volunteer.
Please don't teach them that. Thanks for listening.
Keep practicing your English. You're getting better every time.
And we'll see you in the next episode.
Unless I get myself stuck in the wrong meeting again.
It's definitely a possibility. Oh, Jake, what are we going to do with you?